Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds AirPods Pro 3. Firstly, we need to add this feature to the gestures, because by default we cannot call the Siri. You need to open Settings, and your headphones should be connected with your phone. Then you will find at the top Headphones line, tap at that line, and it will open for you this menu. You can also find this menu if you go to the Bluetooth and click the information icon near to your earbuds. Then you need to scroll down and find Press and Hold. And now select you wanna use the left or right earbud. I'm going to use the left one. Tap at the left or right. And right here you need to select Siri. Now we can go back, as you can see. Now we use Siri on the left earbud, and let's check it. Touch area located on the side, and right here we have it. So you need to press and hold on it. Let's check it. Press and hold. And as you can see, I just call the Siri. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!